talk about those wildfires now. We're continuing to get more information as they burn in the Carolinas, but there is some good news today as the smallest of the three fires in Polk and Henderson County out in western North Carolina has been completely contained. Now, the Fishhook fire, it burned 199 acres, but the Black Cove and Deep Woods fires, they've burned more than 7,000 acres combined. Both of those fires are just over 30% contained, and crews say favorable conditions are actually helping them to make progress there, so that's the good news. Meantime, in South Carolina, this was the look as they work to put out some of the fires there. The Table Rock fire has become the largest wildfire ever recorded in the Upstate at more than 12,000 acres in size. Now, mandatory evacuation orders are still in place for some Greenville County residents, but they've become voluntary in Pickens County, so they are making some progress. The last word from officials is that fire is about 10% contained.